Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Toggle airplane mode. Open the settings app. Then turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This resets your network connection quickly. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to network. Open settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon next to your network. Select Forget this network. Select Forget to confirm your action. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. Solution 3. Software update. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap on Software update. Here if any update is available, then tap Update. Solution 4. Content and privacy restriction. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Screen time. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. Here make sure it's turned off. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If Wi-Fi still refuses to connect, go to Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then tap Reset network settings. Again tap on Reset to confirm your action. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.